Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be covering a review of the new SVE caster camber plates for the S197 Mustang. Now, it's no big secret, I'm a huge fan of LMR, and they just keep stepping up their game with new products for the newer vehicles out there. Of course, they got a lot of stuff for Fox bodies, but of course, since I own this 2013 Mustang GT, I've been looking more and more to keep upgrading it. And something that I overlooked and never got around to doing was actually installing a set of caster camber plates and getting alignment ever since I lowered this car. Unfortunately, I paid the price for it because my tires were getting premature wear, especially on the inside of the tires. So I needed to get a set of caster camber plates and get a fresh alignment on this thing. And sure enough, SVE just, they stepped up to the plate, and of course they just dropped their new line of caster camber plates for the S197 and S550 platform. I absolutely love these caster camber plates. SVE and LMR knocked it out of the park with this one. Very reasonably priced. Came with all new attaching hardware, which is a big plus. Installation was a breeze. We literally had them done both sides probably less than an hour. Of course, having access to a lift made things a lot smoother. Of course, you can do it with jack and jack stands as well, but they gave us plenty of adjustment to get the alignment back into spec, and they look good. All the hardware looks nice, and yeah, I couldn't be happier. So I definitely recommend these caster camber plates. LMR offers a bunch of different styles for your particular vehicle: 05 to 10, 11 to 14, and of course the GT500s and S550s. Make sure you get the appropriate one for your vehicle based on the type of strut you're running. So guys, couldn't be happier, and I definitely recommend these if you're looking for caster camber plates for your S197 or S550. So that's going to do it for this review. Big A+. I definitely recommend these. If you like my content, please like, please share, and subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.